Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by creating your new Gmail address and immediately securing it. Choose a strong password, 12 or more characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, because that prevents common hacks. Next, add a recovery phone and alternate email, which lets you regain access if you're locked out. Once done, enable two-step verification to require a second factor. This greatly reduces risk. Make sure your display name and username match your purpose so recipients recognize you, professional or personal. That matters for trust. Now configure the inbox layout and sorting so messages land where you expect. Pick default or important first depending on volume, since this reduces distraction. Create labels and nested labels, then add filters that auto-archive, label, or forward based on sender, subject, or keywords. This saves time each day. Once filters are active, set a signature, and if relevant, a send as address for aliases. Also enable the vacation responder before you step away. This communicates availability to contacts and prevents repeat messages. Finish by syncing contacts and your calendar so events and addresses appear across devices. Adjust mobile sync frequency and notification settings to balance battery and updates. Then run a security checkup. Review third-party access and revoke anything unnecessary, plus update recovery options. If something goes wrong, like mail not sending or syncing, clear browser cache, test Gmail in an incognito window, and try the mobile app. If persistent, reset your password and reauthorize devices. That usually restores full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.